How to cancel refund on AliExpress. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can cancel your refund on AliExpress. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's begin. First step, open up your AliExpress. Then make sure you're logged in into your account. After you do so, what you'll need to then do is head over to your orders section. For that, head over to account on the bottom right. Then you will see my orders section. Tap on view all. After that, here you will then find a dispute. So find the dispute in your my orders section. Then there you can find a cancel dispute option as well. So do that before the refund is processed, and if the refund has already been processed and approved, it cannot be cancelled. So just confirm your cancellation of the dispute, and then you're good to go. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye-bye. Take care.